Okay, language explorers. Let's have a look at the noun, because it's Monday nouns. Car. Car. What does car mean? What is it? A vehicle with an engine that can take people from or to places. An engine. So what goes in here? The engine, and a vehicle, something that can move, something we can use to create or do or achieve things, and go from or to places. From here to there, to, or from here, I came from there to here. Yes. So, do you like the car? Do you like the car? Do you like it? Or no, I don't like it. We love to see those kinds of cars. So here's the singular, car, and add a S, cars. Yes. So I have a car. Very good. Very good. There are a lot of cars on the road. Makes sense. I have a car, one car. Very good. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. And there are a lot of cars on the road. 2 plus. 2 plus. We love to see those kinds of cars. Yes. I like to see that kind of car. Definitely. Definitely. One of my favourite kind of Porsche. Very nice. Very nice. So, that car is an old model. That car is old. It's from, say, 2010, for example. 2010, an old model, old kind, old type. Old kind, old type. Yeah, it's old. You know, things have changed. Things have changed since then. Things have changed since then. Since then. I came here by car. I came here by car. With by car. The method of my arrival was car. I will go there by car. They will come here by car. They will come here by car, using a car. We are planning to go there by car. Yes. I drove around Scotland in a car. Makes sense. I came from Scotland in my car. Very good. I will drive there by car. I will drive there by car. How I will do it. How? By car. By car. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so can you, English explorer, language explorers, can you use car in a sentence? Yeah, and comment below. Comment below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. How cool is that? And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram, just English with Adrian, and Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.